Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV, kicking off a new season of Around the Hood in 8 minutes with a new bike. That's right, I've got the Chimera Founders Edition here. Let me show you. So as you can see here, we've got the high drive system consisting of a pedal crank here that goes up to a motor pulley crank system out to the rear sprocket, delivering 3,800 watts of power at just 38 pounds for the whole bike. Why is it so light? Everything on this is made of titanium, from the bolts to the frame to the forks and the handlebars. I'm gonna do a speed test. I've got it fully unleashed at full power. Let's see what this thing can do. Safety first. Get some gloves on. All right, so as I said, I'm gonna try to see what we can get out of this beast now that it is fully unleashed. So we'll do a speed test first. Then I'll take you over into the Lower East Side skate park, which should be fun. And then there's a new burger joint that opened down in Chinatown that I've been wanting to check out. It's called Knockout Burger. Looks like a smash burger place, so we'll see how that is. Hopefully we get that done in 8 minutes. Got a lot of ground to cover, so here we go. All right, here comes our first pass on the speed test on Houston Street. Woo! Now we'll do one more pass here on FDR Drive. See if we can top that last speed we just hit. All right, here we go. Cranking. Cranking fast. Gets up to speed so quickly too. All right, now let's hit the skate park. Once I get into the skate park, I'm gonna dial my power settings down a little bit. That way, you know, I don't run a risk of whiskey throttling this powerful beast. But on the way there, I will gun it a bit. So the two main reasons that I got this bike is because I wanted to get down into the skate park in the mornings for exercise. And, you know, for fun, to try to pick up a new skill in the BMX world. And also for short commutes, like to and from work each day. Okay, here we are. All right, worked up a little bit of an appetite. Skate park got a little crowded too, but I was able to get a few runs in. Let's go check out this new burger place, Knockout Burger. Here we go. Not a lot of people know about this little track here. It's not really a bike lane, it's more like a walk lane, but there's a few spots where it's like unpaved and bumps and jumps, so it can be kind of fun if you have a BMX. I'll show you that right now. It's in between the eastbound and westbound lanes on Pike Street. This is it right here. You can see it's kind of like bumps and off-road. Let's get up on these pigeons. Oh yeah. That's some John Woo shit right there. Okay, so this place is on Eldridge Street, like right at the beginning of Eldridge Street. I think it's actually number 1. So I know it's right near the Manhattan Bridge over here. There it is, Knockout Burger. Nice. Oh man, we gotta do the double. Gotta do the double. Hi. How are you? Could I get the Knockout Burger double? Thank you, you can keep the change. All right, burger has arrived. It's nicely packaged. Let's see this beauty. Oh, that nice crispy smash burger, meat lettuce, melty cheese pickles, special sauce. Reminds me of a really good Big Mac. You guys, you gotta try this. This is 10 out of 10. Seriously, I can't get enough of this burger. I could eat 3 more of these. All right, that's it, we did it. We hit a skate park, we did a speed test on the new Chimera, and we tried a new burger spot down here in the Lower East Side, Chinatown. Around the hood in 8 minutes, only on Frantic TV.